Let's go to Goodwill in Allen, Tucson with me in Lakeview area, see what they got. Gonna check the carts, see if they have anything good. Got some Hoka shoes. Clean and protect your shoe. Let's look at a good deal here. $3.99. These are girls. 9.5 is my size. $11.99. Champagne. Some California and this is California pen right here, 8 quarts for $10. It's made in Ohio. And we got free some sort of radio. And this steaming pot for $4.99. This looks like it's never been used. Might be good for cooking something. This made by German for Sarah pot. For $7.99. Not sure what piece brand is. So I found this nice drawer right here as well. This goes for $4.99, pretty good deal. So I'm gonna grab this too. So far I got this pencil sharpener. By Emmer for $2.99. So these 2 items I'm gonna donate to the church school.
Yeah, it needs to be tight and right here. Look. Oh, okay. You see it? Yeah. Okay. All right, let me get your thing.
Let's see what we have here. This is my favorite aisle, is the electric aisles. There's some events, science fair, electric project lab. Man machine here. What's this right here? Some XLR. Not sure what this is. Battery maximizer, 24 volt. I've got some shelving here. Oh, nice. We got a crane. Got a crane dehumidifier. So this is good for when you get a cold or something like that. $15.99 is it's not that cheap. It's kind of like halfway there. You get brand new, it's like around 45 bucks right now. They have a free bike here that is always sold. And they got some nice vacuum in there, but it's missing a battery, it look like. Got this bed. I found this bottle warmer for the baby, only $2.99. So I'm gonna pick it. So I found this 2 Blu-ray movie. This one is 50 bucks on Amazon, and this one is 35 bucks. It's going for $1.99 a piece. So I'll let I gotta find a Blu-ray player that I can play for my daughter. But I also found this poster card for $2.99. It's gonna be useful sometime. I can print some poster card without having to go buy some pricey one at the store. I found this Hem Vision LD alarm clock. It's worked with Alexa and Google for $8 bucks. So I think my daughter had trouble waking up, so I think this is gonna help her. And this brand new goes for 60 bucks. So I found this Pioneer VSX 820K with all the HDMI output here, and it's only going for $4.99. HDMI 3D 1080p. It doesn't have seem like it has Bluetooth. Would be nice, but for $4.99 is a great deal with this.